this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the battery on your Nissan Armada. Located under the hood, let's get started. Let's remove the negative terminal. Using a 10mm socket, go ahead and loosen it. Do not take the nut completely off. Wiggle the terminal out and move it to the side. Next we can do the positive terminal. We're gonna go ahead and flip this up, and that's gonna reveal the 10mm nut that we're also gonna be loosening up. Go ahead and loosen the nut. Do not take it completely out. Wiggle the terminal and take it off. Move the terminal to the side, and now we can remove the battery tie down. Using a 10mm socket, we're gonna go ahead and loosen both of these. Do not take the nut completely out. Now we can go ahead and unhook it from the bottom. Simply slide it and move it to the side. We're gonna be doing the same on this one. Now that it's loose, go ahead and grab onto the battery tie down and slide it out. Now grab the battery and take it out. Let's install the battery the way it came out. Now we're ready to install the battery tie down. We just want to make sure we pay attention to the top of it. If you look, there's going to be an arrow. You want the arrow to face the front of the vehicle. So go ahead and slide it in. We're gonna go ahead and hook up the front the same way we took it off. Just like that. We're gonna be doing the same in the back one. Now go ahead and get them snug. Do not over tighten, it will cause damage. Now we can push this down. We're gonna do the positive terminal. Slide it in. Make sure that you bottom it out. And now we're gonna get it snug. Do not over tighten it, it will cause damage. Go ahead and close the lid. And let's move on to the negative terminal. Go ahead and install it. Make sure that you bottom it out, and now we can get it snug. Do not over tighten it, it will cause damage. Now go ahead and get in the vehicle and test for functionality. That'll be job done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.